Hey there campers, here's how to get flower petals in Outbound. If you're wondering where to get flower petals after seeing so many flowers that you can't interact with, it's because you need to collect a very specific type of flower found on the mountain leading up to the windmill landmark. First, you'll need to upgrade your camper van's motor to reach the area. Once your engine is powerful enough to climb the steep slope, follow the road leading up to the windmill, and you'll eventually come across several fields of tulips. When you approach them, you'll notice that you can't harvest most of the flowers. That's because only the blue tulips can be collected. They're easy to spot because they stand out from the rest of the flower field. You'll find more of these collectible tulips in the flower patches along the road leading up to the windmill, so keep an eye out as you make your way up the mountain. Make sure to gather plenty of flower petals while you're there to save yourself multiple trips later on. And that's all of it. If this video helped, please leave a like or comment and subscribe to the channel for more straightforward guides. Thanks for stopping by, and I'll see you in the next side quest.